Hello there, welcome back to a big weather update today. Right now we are have a moderate risk of severe weather across northern Texas. We'll be coming to it very soon. Then we have Tuakrae, made landfall earlier. We couldn't cover it, sadly. And however though, we're looking at possibly a dangerous situation coming out, especially for large, very large hail, in fact, up to widespread softball size hail. We'll be actually getting right into it right now. Anyways, moving on. Right now we have a moderate risk across Texas, an enhanced risk across Texas and Oklahoma, slight risk across Colorado, Kansas, New Mexico, Oklahoma, Texas, Louisiana, marginal across Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, and then Oklahoma, Missouri, Kansas, Colorado, and New Mexico. 10% wind, 45% significant hail, and 30% wind. Anyways, right now we're seeing moderate risk across Midland, Abilene, and Lubbock, and maybe even Childress. And we have an enhanced risk across Amarillo, Wichita State, maybe even heading into the Fort Worth area and San Angelo. Slight risk across Dallas, Waco, on the border of Austin and San Antonio, and then Dalhart, moving even to Oklahoma in Norman area. Also, marginal risk, stretching more towards the east, and yeah. Anyways, right now we're looking at temperatures maybe in around the 70s right now, with dew points around in the mid 50s. Yeah, right now we have numerous severe thunderstorm watches, tornado watches, severe thunderstorm warnings, and maybe even a tornado warning across Mexico. Yeah. So anyways, looking at Mixler Cape right now, we're looking at around 2,500 joules per kilogram across the watch area. And into Mexico, actually, we're heading more into 4,000 joules per kilogram. As you enter further into eastern Texas right now, we're looking at quite a high amount of convective inhibition. As right now we're looking at negative 400 joules per kilogram negative. So yeah, it's not really conditions over there for thunderstorm development there. So anyways, looking at shear effective bulk shear right now, we're looking at 50 knots peak across modest across the watches, and then also heading farther south into Mexico, we're looking at 55 knots, and further north we're looking at 35 to 25 knots. And now looking at effective storm relative helicity right now, we're looking at between 50 to 100 meters cubed per second cubed. And as you further head north, we're still looking at around the same thing. So helicity, it's right now a wild card really. And right now looking at 0 to 3 kilometer Mixler Cape and surface vorticity right now we're looking at between 100 joules per kilogram, maybe 25 to 100 joules per kilogram across central portions in the watch area. And yeah. So anyways, that's really it for today's video. Yeah, we have a moderate risk later today, and yeah, it's definitely quite interesting.